Where to buy cryptocurrency and avoid being scammed. How to buy it. And I mean, there's a lot of options. And especially if you're a new player, these options might feel overwhelming. How to keep yourself secure. Which option to pick. How to avoid being scammed. So the first option is peer-to-peer trading. Peer-to-peer means that you're engaged as a buyer directly to a specific seller. That seller is liquidity provider. That seller has the cryptocurrency you are willing to purchase. You might ask, why is this a good thing? Why not just go to an exchange and purchase it from there? Well, peer-to-peer options offer maximum flexibility. I mean, surely there are platforms, marketplaces that kind of aggregate the buyers and sellers, just go there and filter them out. As for peer-to-peer goes, you may just find a guy from local bulletin boards, forums, Telegram groups, and conduct the business in person. That would be counted as peer-to-peer as well. When you're starting with a new seller, make sure that you're starting with low amounts. By starting with low amounts, you give yourself some leeway to experiment and see how many steps you need to take before you receive your cryptocurrency. In addition to that, you can see if the seller is trustworthy or not. If you find out it's a scam and you only risk a small amount, then it's a lesson learned and you'll understand how to avoid it in the future. As an additional tip, if it's possible, always utilize an escrow account. Sure, they might come with some additional costs, but they will eventually save you a lot of hassle if something goes wrong. Additionally, when purchasing cryptocurrency, ensure that transaction is fully confirmed with at least one, or better two confirmations in your wallet, because transactions that are being sent with low fee amounts might never confirm, or the seller can send you a transaction with replaced by fee status, which means that this transaction can be replaced with another transaction from the wallet with just a higher fee. To avoid such pitfalls, ensure the transaction is fully confirmed. Let's talk about our second option, and the second options are crypto ATMs. You've probably seen them popping out all across the country, in big convenience stores, gas stations, or even in the middle of nowhere. And these crypto ATMs come in different set of flavors and colors. Some only allow buying, some allow selling, some allow both. So, in order to understand what this crypto ATM does and what kind of fees this crypto ATM has, well, they either introduce a fee or they're altering the exchange rate. And to ensure that you're paying your fair price for your cryptocurrency, you'll need to understand what kind of fees and commissions these ATMs are charging. Some ATMs are charging from free up to 20% on a transaction. So make sure you understand so you don't end up overpaying for your crypto. Also, given the chance and the opportunity, read the reviews about a specific crypto ATM. I can tell you from my experience is that once I went to the crypto ATM with an intention to sell some cryptocurrency just to have some cash on hand. I've successfully submitted a transaction and sent crypto to the ATM, only to find out that the crypto ATM money dispenser wasn't working. And since it was Saturday, there was nobody to support me on this transaction. And I had to wait until Monday and get back to that particular place just to get my funds out of that ATM. It was a very frustrated experience, and I could be saved from that if I would open the review pages for this particular crypto ATM, which stated that this thing is quite common with it. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Now let's explore crypto gateway services. So what crypto gateway service is, it's a specialized company that is dedicated itself to making the process of buying and selling cryptocurrency as easy and as smooth as possible. These type of services are usually accepting a variety of payment methods and a variety of other alternative options. The downside of such services is that the fact that they are getting liquidity from the exchanges, they are adding their markup. And the markup can be ranging from 3% to 7%, depending on the type of payment method you're using. Obviously, the payment cards are going to be the most expensive, while doing the bank transfer will be the least expensive. On the pro side, such services come with a lot of convenience. Apple Pay, sorted. Credit cards, sorted. Some local payment services, sorted. In order to ensure that the transaction with such companies comes in smoothly, read up on the reviews on Trustpilot, understand where the company is licensed. It's the best to have the company that is licensed in your country. If that's not possible, then I would suggest to see under which license the company is operating. One potential situation that might be happening is there are people trying to scam by creating fake crypto purchasing websites. These crypto purchasing websites usually have cryptocurrency prices way better than they are either on official exchanges or, for example, on CoinMarketCap. So if you're seeing a deal too good to be true that is nowhere to be seen on other type of services, most likely you're getting scammed. And then finally, we're approaching the most interesting option. From the fees perspective, exchanges provide you with the best liquidity there is. The fees are the lowest, but the process of registering on the exchange, going through the KYC process, depositing funds, can be challenging and daunting. To navigate this territory, however, you'll need to understand how to break down the whole process in steps. The first step obviously would be to register on the exchange and pass the KYC. Secondly, you would deposit funds on the exchange. Thirdly, you select the market pair you're interested in. In this case, if you would deposit dollars or euros, you would pick a dollar or euro pair with Bitcoin. You would navigate to that pair and execute a market order. Start slow and experiment. Your market order should be filled instantaneously, and you would see the amount of Bitcoin in your exchange wallet to increase. Once you feel comfortable with executing the trades on the exchange, you can gradually increase the amounts you're willing to purchase. But remember, if you're not intending to trade cryptocurrency after a short amount of time on the exchange, make sure you withdraw it into your own wallet, because not your keys, not your crypto. There are a variety of options available on the market, and always some of them will be more convenient to you, but they might feature higher fees as a return. If you're just starting the journey and you're looking to experiment, just pick any option that you might like. However, if you're interested in doing larger amounts or doing it more constantly, then you would need to understand how to buy cryptocurrency with utmost efficiency. And remember, stay safe and learn how the process works. Till next time. Bye.